Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to start page numbers in Word from the 4th or 5th page. To start, open the document, review the content. After that, click on the Insert menu, then click on Page Number. Here, select Bottom of Page and choose from one of the available options. You will see that the numbering is assigned in ascending order to all word sheets. After this, click on the 3rd or 4th sheet. After that, in the Layout menu, click on Breaks, click on Next Page. When you click on the 4th or 5th sheet, you can see that a new section has been created. After that, on the 4th or 5th page, click on Link to the previous, so that it is not dependent on the previous sheet. Then place the cursor on the 3rd or 4th sheet. In the Insert menu, click on Page Numbers and click on Remove Page Numbers. You will see that the previous pages will no longer have numbering. Then click on the 4th or 5th sheet. From Insert, click on Page Numbers and click on Format Page Numbers. After that, activate the box Start At. It will automatically start at 1. Click OK. Thanks to this, the numbering will start on the 4th or 5th page as you need. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.